Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ninis Anisha with name 230600286 from class A1 of Elementary School Teacher Education 2023. Here I will present my research proposal. At the beginning of the proposal, I have a title that includes the dependent and independent variables as well as the research subject. The title of my proposal is Developing Math Market ebook teaching materials using a role-playing model to improve understanding of mathematical concept in elementary school student. Or pengembangan bahan ajar ebook Math Market dengan model role playing untuk meningkatkan pemahaman konsep matematis pada siswa sekolah dasar. Next, there is the problem background, which includes the ideal condition, failed condition, gaps, solutions, novelty, and research focus. Furthermore, there is the problem formulation, which includes the product, development, process, product feasibility, and product effectiveness. The problem formulation of my proposal is as follows. 1. How is the process of developing the Math Market ebook teaching materials using the role-playing model? Number 2, what are the objective condition of mathematics learning and conceptual understanding of 5th grade elementary school student? And number 3 is the development of the Math Market ebook teaching materials using the role-playing model effective in improving mathematical conceptual understanding in 5th grade elementary school student. Next, there are research objectives, where the number of research objectives must equal the number of research objectives. Furthermore, the research objective and problem formulation must align the research objective of my proposal. I am to analyze first the objective condition of mathematics learning and conceptual understanding of 5th grade elementary school student. Second, the process of developing the Math Market ebook teaching materials using the role-playing model. Third, the effectiveness of developing the Math Market ebook teaching material using the role-playing model in improving mathematical conceptual understanding in 5th grade elementary school student. Next, there are research benefits which are expected to provide input for teachers, schools, and mathematics learning in general. Next, there are operational definition. This operational definition contains the definition of the product being developed and its components. Next, it explains the definition of the dependent variable being developed, including its definition and indicators. Next, it defines the product's development method based on its definition and implementation steps in the field. Finally, it defines the conclusion drawn from the literature review. Next, there's the theoretical study and hypothesis. This theoretical study explains the product being developed, starting with its definition and components. Second, the dependent variable being developed, starting with its definition and indicators. Third, the product development method, starting with its definition and steps in the field. And fourth, it discusses the relationship between the dependent variable and the product being developed theoretically. Furthermore, in the theoretical study, several expert opinions were first gathered, which were then summarized for my research proposal. This theoretical study includes expert opinions that reflect the latest development from the past 5 years. Next, there are the hypotheses. My proposal hypotheses are first, the development of an ebook on math market teaching material is effective in improving the understanding of mathematical concepts in 5th grade elementary school student. Second, the use of role-playing models is effective in improving 5th grade elementary school students' mathematical conceptual understanding. Next, there are research method and research subject. This includes the type of research, its design, and why it is considered a specific type of research. The research method used in my proposal is the research and development method, or R&D, by Borg and Gall. This method was chosen because it aligns with the research objectives, which are to develop learning materials and test their effectiveness. Next, there are research subjects. The section describes the research subjects, their number, location, and characteristic. The subject of my proposal are 38 5th grade elementary school student at SDN Nusa Indah 1 in Bandung Regency. These subjects were selected based on the following characteristics. First, the students are not yet fully skilled in mathematical conceptual research, and second, the teachers have not yet developed ebook math market teaching materials. Next, there are research instruments, which includes tools to measure product feasibility, product effectiveness, and the quality of the instrument, as well as how they are used. The research instruments used in my study includes non-test methods, including interviews with 5th grade elementary school teachers, observation of mathematics lessons, documentation studies of the independent curriculum, and questionnaires administered to teachers and students. Furthermore, a test instrument was designed to determine students' understanding of mathematical concepts before and after using the Math Market ebook teaching materials. The test was a cognitive test with 10 multiple choice questions. Next, there are research procedures. These procedures describe whether the research procedures are appropriate for the type and design of the selected research. A chart or diagram explains the research procedures. The research procedures used in my proposal follow the R&D research stage. The steps are described as follows. First, potential and problem identification, then preliminary study, third, product design, fourth, product design validation by expert, revision 1, limited trial, Revision 2, extensive trial, and final product revision. Finally, there are data processing procedures. These data processing procedures includes the quantitative data processing method, the quantitative data processing method, and the software or application used to process the data. The data processing procedures in my proposal include qualitative data consisting of observation, interviews, and documentation studies to answer questions about the product development process, the learning implementation process, and teacher and student responses. The data in this study is then processed based on the collected data types. Quantitative data consists of test results to measure the effectiveness of developing the math market ebook teaching materials, and quantitative data is processed using inferential statistic using SPSS. Next, there is the research schedule, which is scheduled to be carried out over 6 months. The first month is a preliminary study and literature review, including problem formulation, theory, and hypothesis development. The second month is the product draft design. The third month is product development. The fourth month is data processing or analysis of quantitative and qualitative data. The fifth month is interpretation. The fifth month is interpretation, conclusion, and suggestion, and the sixth month is the preparation of disease report. And the sixth month is the preparation of this report. This concludes my research proposal. I apologize for any errors. Thank you and bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.